Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code with Revolut app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and scan a QR code with the Revolut app so that you could actually go ahead and pay someone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to actually go ahead and scan a QR code with Revolut, first you're going to go ahead and log on to Revolut. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you're going to click on the profile icon. Now from here, underneath your name, you're going to see an @ with your username. You're going to see a QR code. So go ahead and click that QR code. And then once you do so, your QR code is going to appear. But if you click on pay, now you'll be able to scan a code to pay them. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and scan a QR code with Revolut. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.